2, 1, and rolling.
Well, this is the nigga cap show, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna show you how to pass the ride. Nigga, I told you who it was. I told him who it was.
I'm sorry, man. I didn't know who it was, man.
Man, you still talking, nigga.
It's our first show, man. I'm nervous.
Take a break. Back to the show. We're gonna show you how to pass the ride this bread real quick. You pull out your blade. What's good, son? What's good, son? Shit. How we gonna lose the knife, son? Now, nigga rise. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, son. Fuck the cameraman. Fuck y'all niggas, look at that. It ain't no more TV show. We fucking it up already. Y'all still recording? Fuck the cameraman. Let's get off. Get off, man.
Stop. What the?
That's good. Cut that show right there.
What the? Dude, I just watch it.